Force restart iPhone is familiar to us, right? Once encountering simple system problems such as an iPhone stuck on a black screen, we often resort to force restarting to fix the iPhone, and this is often effective. But what should we do if there is a problem with force reboot? First, charge your iPhone to check if your iPhone runs out of battery. If it's not, don't panic. Today, this video will tell you other 6 ways fix iPhone force restart not working. Method 1. Check button issues. Launch settings on the iPhone. Scroll down and select Siri and search on the screen. Toggle off the press side button for Siri. Method 2. Update iOS version. Get into settings. Enter General and Software Update. Method 3. Reset all settings. Enter settings. Tap on General and then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then press Reset all settings. Method 4. Factory reset iPhone. Fire up settings. Hit Transfer or Reset iPhone and then choose Erase all contents and settings. Touch on Erase iPhone. Method 5. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Open the latest version of iTunes and select Restore iPhone in Summary. Back up your data first. Then choose Restore. The process will take you some time. Please be patient and follow the steps on the screen. Method 6. MagFone iOS System Recovery. Connect your iPhone to a computer and run MagFone iOS System Recovery on the computer. Choose Stand Repair Mode to avoid data loss. Just click the Download button to download a firmware package. Then you can continue to use MagFone software to resolve this issue.